Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT Z-71 Crew Cab truck. On the exterior of this truck, we have power and heated door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, four-wheel drive, running boards, trailer hitch receiver, and rear backup camera. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seating for 5 with power and heated front seats, adjustable pedals, wireless charging pad, remote start, and remote keyless entry. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display comes with Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 has less than 85,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.